This is called the 9 Hours Woman Hotel. Hi. This is my first time in the city. Let's go. I think I'm about to fall in love with Japan. Okay, I don't think I'm on the right one. Damn, I've always wondered how they get these things on. I guess they have to do a very good park job. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you. Pham? Yeah. Oh, my bag has been delayed. Oh, when is it gonna get here?
We're not sure.
Thank you. Oh, hell nah. Are you guys reading this right now? Hey everyone, welcome to the Japan vlogs. Currently, I'm going to take you guys throughout my first 24 hours in Japan, and we're gonna be staying in a pod capsule hotel. At least the sunset looks gorgeous though. Look at her. Wow. Let's see if my bag made it. I don't think it did, because why was my name right there, smack dab?
Los Angeles.
Yeah.
May I have your passport and the boarding pass?
I don't know where my boarding pass is.
Do you have the baggage tag?
Let me see. I don't have it on me.
What color you are
Pink.
Pink.
Oh my god. They're saying I'm gonna get my bags in 3 days.
What am I supposed? I mean, how am I gonna?
I mean, it's like not a big deal, but how did I just pay $13,000 for my bag to get lost and I won't get it in 3 days, and all they're giving me back is 20,000 yen? What the fuck? Singapore, what are you doing? Sorry, not to be a hater, but to be a hater. It's okay though, guys. We're in Japan. All right, well, hello everyone. That was an interesting start off to a vlog. So my baggage isn't here, but it's okay. We're gonna make the most of it. Maybe it's a sign, because taking the train is definitely gonna be so much easier without another extra luggage. First stop is the train. All right. While I was on the train, I researched on how I'm gonna get from the airport to the hotel in Tokyo, and it said that I should get a JR Rail train pass, and that you can pick one up here at the airport. It's a little bit more expensive, but if you guys don't know, I'm a very last minute person with everything that I do. I literally just booked all my Airbnbs and hotels on the plane, which probably could have been more proactive. That's a fun fact, is that I'm very last minute. But so far, this seems pretty easy to find. Over here, it says JR Pass. Hi.
Hello.
I'm looking to get a JR Rail Pass for 21 days.
This price.
Okay. On the website? So I have to do this within 30 minutes?
Yeah, so complicated. If you want to try, you can try that. And then pick up the ticket at maybe another station, like Tokyo Station.
I just purchased it online. It took me maybe like 5 minutes to do it, but now I'm gonna wait, get up here, and then we'll head into the city. I'm excited. It seems pretty straightforward so far. But girl, we've only been here for 5 minutes, so. Thank you.
Where are you going today?
I'm gonna go to Tokyo.
Tokyo.
Next one's at 7 what?
Right.
7:14? Thank you so much. Thank you. I got the passes. You know, when I like looked on TikTok and social media, everyone's like, you need to get it in advance. Like, you cannot get it in person, and like needs to get shipped to you and everything, which I think it's cheaper if you do that. But girl, it ended up working out anyways. Car 9, C3A. Okay, car 9. Got it. Am I this lost? Or is it this one? Oh girl, I don't think I'm on the right one. Oh no. You know what? We'll figure it out.
Station is Bakuyocho JO21.
Oh my gosh, guys. Alright, I just got off the train and this is the first thing that I see. And I'm like, oh my god, guys, I literally feel like I'm in a freaking movie right now. I think I've arrived at the right place. Alright, time is currently 8:31. I landed around 6 o'clock, so it took me 2.5 hours after the whole situation to get into Tokyo, but honestly, not too bad. Hi. I'm using this like little tiny camera because I feel like the big one is kind of obnoxious here in Japan. So I think to go out, I need to put my ticket back in. I put it in the zipper pocket so that I wouldn't lose it. In the little secret zipper pocket that the alchemy sweats have. Back in the zipper pocket it goes. here I am, and I think that I'm trying to go this way. I would say that I feel pretty good so far. I feel like everything's pretty easy to understand. The train situation getting here was pretty easy, even though I definitely got on the wrong line. I think there was a faster one. It was so great. Consensus so far is that everyone wears uniforms here. Whether you're going to school or you go to work, everyone is wearing a tux, like skirts, something like that. It's very interesting to see though. Let's head out and try to figure out how we're gonna get to our hotel. Everything is so aesthetic. I'm like, is this how people feel about New York City when they first go? Very interesting. There are so many vending machines and like little lockers. Oh my goodness, guys. I see a 7-Eleven sign. All right, let's head this way. Maybe it worked out that my luggage never arrived because now I'm able to do this. Let's find this 7-Eleven, even though that was not in the books. But hey, we don't have any plans. We gotta go to 1F. Currently I'm here. Okay. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm having so much fun right now. I feel like Japan is the perfect place to travel alone. And I've only been here for a little bit, but I'm really liking it. I just feel like any city with good transportation to get around is automatically like a really great place to travel. All right, I'm gonna walk outside and see if the 7-Eleven is out here. This is my first time in the city. Wow, the weather is so amazing. Like I was not expecting Japan to be so hot and warm. All right, first stop is 7-Eleven. Let's go. Hee-hee. I feel like I'm watching a YouTube video right now. Like, this doesn't even feel real, yeah. I feel like I'm literally watching a fucking YouTube video. Low key, I came here with no expectation. And the workers here are staring my ass down right now. They're like, Miss Girl, Miss American Girl. Oh my God, is this like a piece of fucking corn in plastic? That is crazy. The way it's like air sealed like that is insane. It's insane. It's like build your own salad. I don't know. I'm just so amazed by stuff like this. I'm not gonna lie though, I'm not even hungry like that. Like that plane filled me up. If you guys have not watched that video yet, go watch it. Oh, why is this so satisfying? All they do is like fridge organization restock all day, I swear. I definitely think I should grab a drink. You have more snacks over here. I should probably watch some YouTube videos. Oh my gosh, these are the fucking cups of ice, bro, that everyone talks about. You get a cup of ice and then you can like put your drink in it and it'll just taste yummy. Or there's like these smoothies down here. I'm sure that you can blend up. Truly, this is all I want right now. It's just like green tea or something. I don't know. I might get this one bigger one though. Maybe we'll deal with the cup of ice tomorrow, or we can come back after I settle into my hotel. Hello. Oh my gosh, that was so easy, guys. I literally just like loaded up my card. I quickly just did this on my Apple Wallet. I just clicked the plus sign and then I just searched up Suka and I was able to just load it up. Because you know how everyone says like you need cash? I think that's true, but also you can use that a lot to pay. But I guess we'll figure it out. Now it's time to go to the hotel. I got my drink in hand, got her. I truly think that it was a blessing not having the big luggage. Look at the taxi cars. What? These are so cute, guys. These taxis are adorable. Very quickly realizing that everyone walks on the left side of the road here. I also probably should have watched some videos like what not to do in Japan. But guys, we're learning as we go, okay? There's also just like so much beauty in just this right here. How everyone's just like sitting inside and eating, but the street around it is so dead and gray. But then this one is just so bright and lively. Like I just love it. Oh my gosh, guys, it's my first sighting of these things, which is like the shop that have the food outside, but it's fake. If you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with stuff like this. Like when I was younger, I would make Palmer clay charms all the time of fake food. And when I would go to Asia, I would buy the mini keychains of fake food. I think I'm about to fall in love with Japan. I just walked into an area and it's very busy. Oh my God, look at these flowers, guys. Look at this street. Where am I? No, like literally, where am I right now? I'm like a 2-minute walk away from my hotel right now, but look at this. Wow, this is so goddamn cute. Look at all these flowers. Oh my God, I love this. Look at everyone sitting out on the street. Snap a picture. Oh girl, I know I'm most definitely giving tours right now. Why is this so cute? Also, can somebody please tell me like a genuine question as to why there's so many groups of men? And I know that's like a weird question, but I feel like what I'm observing so far is that people very much hang out in their gender groups. Like girls are hanging out with girls and guys are hanging out with guys. And like I do see some people like, you know, intermingled and stuff, but what I'm observing right now is at restaurants, it's like just usually a big group of guys or like a small group of girls, you know? Let me know. All right, so I think walking down this alleyway was a good idea because guys, look where we made it to the hotel. This This is called the 9 Hours Woman Hotel. If you guys have seen those iconic thumbnails on YouTube where it's like, oh my God, staying in a capsule, in a pod hotel, like all of these, insert on screen. Oh, no, camera back to me, please. My God. The camera's going a little crazy right now. Anyways, if you guys have seen those iconic videos, it is here at this hotel called Number 9. But they have a regular version and they have like a women's only version is what I realized. This place is 2 stars, but it's okay, girl. We're gonna give her a try because guess what? She was also only $22. So I'm very excited to give her a try. All right, let's head in. Hi. Check in, yeah. Yeah, perfect, thank you. So we have a lot of lockers right here. I'm confused. I think the vibe is that I just pick a random locker and scan the QR code. Is that it? No. Oh, 503. It literally says it right at the top here. I was just not looking. Scan here. Why doesn't she want to unlock? Guys, it's not working. Excuse me, could you help me with this? Oh, okay, thank you. So I've learned that this needs to be smaller, the QR code, not fatter. Let me show you guys what's inside. In here, there's just this little tray to put your shoes. There's like this toiletries bag and then things to hang things up. Good to go. So I think we're meant to go down the elevators over here. Second floor up has the shower and the washroom. I think over here. Currently wearing the green Alchemy sweatset. This is what the shower said. This is what the bathroom is looking like right now. You know, you got a cute little bidet situation. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and I'll see you in a sec. I'm in the shower right now. It's literally just like a stall. Bro, I can't believe I shaved my legs on the plane today. In this tote that they provided, we have a bath mat towel, some pajamas. We also just have a regular just towel. Oh, a face one too. And then some slippers and a toothbrush with some toothpaste. These are all my toiletries. Thankfully, I packed stuff for like my hair, toothbrush, hairbrush, all of my skincare, cleansers. I just want to mention, if you guys are looking at the thing on my neck, it is not a hickey, okay? I just suffer from neck rashes whenever I wear jewelry. And if it was a hickey, girl, it's not your... No, I'm kidding. It's not a hickey. I just got ready, braided the hair, put on the PJs. We're headed up to the 5th floor to see the pods for the first time. I'm excited. It looks like there's 2 bathrooms. When you turn to the right, just a nice, simple sink. The bathrooms look like how they look like downstairs. And then over here is the pods. So we are in the pod now. You're not supposed to talk or take any phone calls or anything like that. So that is why I am whispering. My first thought is like, oh my God, this is literally just like a round pod. And I know it's like All right, we successfully stayed overnight at a capsule hotel here in Japan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm actually about to head to the Tokyo station, go to a 7-Eleven, and go all the way to the north of Japan, but that is going to be in the next vlog. I'm vlogging basically every single day here in Japan, posting quite often, so if you guys haven't already, please subscribe and comment down below if you guys subscribed in this video. If you guys did subscribe, comment. Damn, I wasn't expecting that, ... So I know you stayed this long. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. I love you. Bye.